Okay, I had to clip the one corner on this side because I couldn't get it all in. The other side fit in good, so I caulked good inside and then jammed it in, and it almost went even. It's really close. So I said, okay, that's good enough. And I then put some more caulking on it. It's the latex caulking that has silicone in it, so it goes clear. So that should go clear in a day or so, and then I'll oil it, and it should be good. It should hold. Now our oiling job is going really good. I'm about to get started on it again. You can see how it's looking. It's brushing on nice. I could try to show you, but over here where I quit right in here last night, so I need to start here. But as you put the oil on with a brush, and you don't have to clean the brush in between because it doesn't harden. So it's kind of messy because it's all oily. I didn't really wipe the handle. It's a really short brush. It's only, like 5 inches long. But and it's getting pretty beat up, but it's still good. It's still working fine, because I'm pushing it into corners and stuff, so the bristles are getting bent, but it's still fine. So I'll continue here, and then I have 2 spots, and then all of it has 1 coat of oil on. Some of it has 2. Like this one right here has 2 coats of oil. I put a second coat on last night. This has 1 coat. I don't know if I need to. Maybe I'll coat some more, especially along the bottom. Maybe give that another coat. Or maybe just take a break on that and get the shop back up here and start working on the inside, because it's a mess. The other thing I need to do is get some help, get Lucas maybe, and I don't know if I'll need 2 people or not. Probably, maybe I can get Amy to. What we want to do is pry this edge up here and get some stones underneath that. So I'm going to try to find some flat stones. Probably, I'm thinking it's got to come up about a 3/4 of an inch to an inch, at least a 1/2 inch. And that should straighten out the door, because right now, you see that's not good. So this side has to go up. And and before that, look at this. See the gap here? I need to take something narrow and clean any stones out that are there. Because when we push it up, I don't want any stones holding it from coming up. So really, I think this whole side needs to come up a little bit, which kind of makes sense, because when I did it, there's not that much stone in here. Maybe I should have dug down here, but then I had that tree here, which was a white ash, and it died shortly. I didn't know ahead of time that the emerald borer, or whatever it was called, was going to kill all the ash trees. But it did. And it was, I shouldn't have put it so close to the building. It was within 6 inches. So luckily we got it down. We fell it this way, put a big rope on it. I was over there pulling on the rope. My brother was cutting it, and we got it to go the way we wanted it to. So that was really good. I was worried it might hit the gazebo, which really could knock the whole thing. Could move the whole thing, which would be very difficult to move back. Okay, I'm going to finish oiling and then prying it up and cleaning the inside of the next 2 on to do. The bear, I was hoping the whole bottom would get dry, but it doesn't feel that. We haven't had good drying weather, so it's not really dry yet. I've been putting some oil on it, laying down, the top, so it can sink in better. Easier to oil it this way. Okay, where we're gaining, huge accomplishment. I hope it's soon enough to have stopped the bug activity. I'm telling you, I am worried, but I should have done this sooner. Words of wisdom, do it sooner. Wish I would have done it like 15 years ago, or at least 10. Okay, it is looking really good though. Okay, let's finish it up at the top.